For the past few years, Day 1 CPT has been in the news for obvious reasons. While Day 1 CPT is completely legal, there have been universities that have taken advantage of this program to attract students in need to maintain their status because of bad luck in H1B lottery. That's not it. Federal agents once created a fake university called the University of Farmington, designed to catch students misusing Day 1 CPT. Many students took the bait without thinking why everything was too good to be true, and it cost them their legal status, jobs, and dreams. The result: 8 arrested and charged with visa fraud. That's why you need to know about the risks associated with Day 1 CPT. In this video, I am going to share a complete guide on the Day 1 CPT risks and how to avoid them. I will include risks like maintenance of status, losing OPT eligibility, visa fraud and duplicate degrees, F1 visa denials, border re-entry issues. Hi everyone, I am Priya from It's OKR and welcome back to our channel. And if you are new today, It's OKR is a content platform for South Asian immigrants, and we aim to educate, entertain, and empower them. Let's assume you're fresh out of OPT, waiting for the H1B lottery gods to bless you. But the lottery, not in your favor. Now what? You turn to Day 1 CPT because of the savior reputation it holds. It actually lets you work legally while studying, starting from day 1 of your academic program. Sounds perfect, right? But we need to remember that Day 1 CPT comes with strings attached. If not used properly, it can land you in trouble with USCIS and possibly wreck your future visa applications. Firstly, let's understand what exactly is Day 1 CPT. Day 1 CPT stands for Curricular Practical Training, a special program allowing F1 students to work from the very first day of their academic program. It's typically offered by certain universities to students pursuing degrees that require immediate practical experience via internships or part-time jobs. While traditional CPT needs students to first complete a year of coursework, Day 1 CPT skips the wait. You can hit the ground running with a new job on day 1, but the convenience comes with a price. Also, for your added benefit, we have partnered with a team of experts called CPTDog. They can easily help you with free consultations for CPT regarding Masters, PhD, and any additional programs. If you apply through them, the application fee is waived off, and they also help you in selecting and getting an admit to the right university. They've partnered with more than 26 universities, so you will be able to find a university that suits your needs. Now let's understand why Day 1 CPT can be risky. Risk 1: maintenance of status. The biggest issue with Day 1 CPT is maintaining your status. USCIS wants proof that your primary purpose in the US is education and not work. Even if Day 1 CPT programs are technically legal, they have been under increased scrutiny ever since past sting operations revealed that some students were abusing these programs. Alternatively, you can maintain your F1 status if you enroll in at least 6 credit hours per semester for master students, attend all mandatory on-campus classes, even if the program offers online flexibility, maintain a GPA of at least 3.0 or higher depending upon your school, renew your CPT authorization on time, usually every semester or year, work only in jobs related to your major and after receiving authorization from your DSO. Additionally, don't begin working before your CPT is approved. Forgetting to renew authorizations each semester or taking jobs unrelated to your academic program can backfire too. I also suggest you avoid enrolling in CPT programs too far from your work location. It's another red flag. Yes, USCIS does check. Risk 2: losing OPT eligibility. I bet you didn't know that full-time CPT for over 12 months can cost you your OPT eligibility. Losing this golden ticket after graduation would drift you away from securing your US work experience and seriously impacting your career trajectory. So, what can you do to protect your eligibility is to have a part-time CPT for under 20 hours per week. In case you've already used OPT at your current degree level, full-time CPT won't matter. Think of full-time CPT as double dipping into your visa privileges. It's okay until it's not. Risk 3: visa fraud and duplicate degrees. Another major red flag for USCIS is enrolling in duplicate or similar degrees. For example, if you already have a master's in computer science and then apply for another similar program to maintain your visa status, it will raise questions about your true intentions. Immigration officers are trained to spot patterns suggesting you're prolonging your stay under the disguise of academic study. This will affect your visa renewal and might also call for a visa denial or ban from re-entering the US. US. However, there are some ways to avoid these fraud accusations. Choose different or advanced degrees. Connect your job to your academic program to demonstrate a legitimate interest. Work closely with your DSO to maintain compliance with your progress. DSOs can often suggest interdisciplinary programs that balance your career goals with your academic integrity. This also helps you free from RFEs. Personally, I'd strongly suggest getting admission from reputed universities like Westcliff University, 4 campuses in California and 2 in Florida, Monroe University, 2 campuses in New York, New England College in New Hampshire, and Harrisburg University in Pennsylvania. Risk 4. F1 visa denial. Did you think that securing admission to a prestigious university improves your chances of passing the F1 visa interview? That's partly true. Immigration officers care more about your intentions than the school's ranking. The truth is that applying to a lower ranked school after attending a top tier one can raise suspicion, especially for day 1 CPT students. Officers will undoubtedly assume that you are more interested in work authorization than education. Consider watching some webinars that CPTDog has hosted with this topic with many ex-USCIS visa officers and immigration lawyers. Here is a link if you want to register for their free seminars and also if you want to watch their previously held seminars. Risk 5. Border re-entry issues. Remember that you aren't guaranteed to re-enter the US even with a valid F1 visa. CBP officers at the border have complete authority to decide whether to let you in or not. And recently, even students from respectable universities have been denied re-entry, leaving them stranded overseas. And lastly, here are some tried and tested ways to avoid these re-entry problems. Keep your I-20 updated and ensure it reflects your current program and work status. Have a valid explanation for why you are using day 1 CPT and how it aligns with your intentions. Avoid unnecessary travel if your visa situation is complicated. I'd like to end this video with a few important pointers regarding day 1 CPT risks. Keep in mind that it exists in a legal gray area. Immigration officers may look at your case and think, is the student really studying or just working a loophole? And unfortunately, not all universities offering day 1 CPT are reliable. Some operate like diploma mills, giving students work authorization with minimal academic effort. USCIS flags these cases during future visa or green card applications. That being said, you must choose reputable SEVP certified universities that offer real programs and comply with immigration guidelines and work with experts like CPTDog. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and share it with someone who might need it. Please subscribe to our channel and let us know what other content you'd like us to create. We love hearing from you, so please drop a comment. And if things aren't going your way, remember it's OKR because they will eventually turn around. Until next time, here's Priya signing off. Have a wonderful day.